Welcome to English in a Minute. A single is one of something, and a double is two of something. But what does it mean when a person says,
on the double?
I thought I'd set my alarm clock, but I didn't hear it ring.
Oh no, and Ashley's birthday party is going to start in a few minutes.
I better get there on the double before everyone eats all the birthday cake.
You and cake. Let's not forget whose birthday it is.
the phrase on the double means to do something very quickly. The expression comes from the military. When troops march double time, they move twice as fast as normal. And that's English in a Minute.